Nó có trên ground nữa chứ. I cannot find the ground wire, so I had to put a new one in. Usually you're supposed to find a ground wire coming out the wall right here, because my panel is inside here. My circuit breaker is inside here, so usually you should find ground cable coming out of this wall area right here, where they grounded your panel into the ground. But I don't find one, and I found one in the basement. They just grounded the pipe, the copper pipe, so I need to put a new grounding cable, a rod into the ground. So here's one that I already did, 8-footer. So I put that one in, and I'm in the process of putting this one in right here. It's an 8-footer. I need to drive it all the way to the ground, so before you can connect your ground cable to it. So right now I'm still driving this one in. They say it's supposed to be 5 feet apart, so they are 5 feet apart from this one to that one. It's 5 feet apart, so we'll see. Drive this one in all the way to the ground. This is 8-foot rod. Drive it all the way to the ground. Grounding my house, okay? My house doesn't have a proper ground, so I thought install ground rod. Okay? It's an 8-footer. Just drove one in, and this is the second one. That should be good. Oh yeah, that should be good. Now it's just a matter of hook up the cable to it. Okay. All I need is to hook up this ground cable to it. So there's the ground cable. You need to, I'm gonna take this TV cable out, go run this ground cable out from the basement, out into this one, connect it to this one, and then run it down here to that one, okay? So, we'll see how it is, all right? Ground rod right here, connected. The cable go under there. Hold on. To the other ground rod. Tied together right there. And then come back, splice it right there. Go in here into the box inside, okay? So I got my house completely grounded. Okay, so like I said, they don't have it ground before, so now I got it all grounded, okay?